Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable the touchpad in Windows 11. Many users face difficulty when their touchpad is not working, and this guide will help you quickly turn it back on. First, right-click on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings to open the main Settings window. Next, in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and select Bluetooth and Devices. After that, scroll down through the list until you find Touchpad and click on it to open the touchpad settings. Next, you will see an option to turn on the touchpad. Simply toggle the switch to enable it. Once it is turned on, you can test your touchpad immediately to make sure it is working properly. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.